Yesterday, the iftar events were organized across all regions of the country. President Shavkat Mirziyoyev took part in iftar held in Tashkent. At the beginning of the gathering, the president once again congratulated the people and the entire Muslims on the holy months of Ramadan. In these blessed months, we are happy to share the iftar with our people on our fertile land, for which we endlessly thank Allah the Merciful, said the President. The noble idea of for the sake of man, for the sake of his happiness, is becoming the foundation of public policy. Freedom of conscience and citizens' rights are strongly protected, especially during Ramadan. Values such as harmony, kindness, support, patience, morality, and the pursuit of knowledge are further strengthened in society. Special attention is given to studying the humanistic meaning of Islam and preserving the heritage of great thinkers. In particular, the Center of Islamic Civilization is under construction in Tashkent. This major scientific and spiritual project will showcase the contributions of the Islamic world in science, education and culture, inspiring young people to make new discoveries. The construction of the Imam Bukhari complex in Samarkand is also ongoing. Alongside the museum and scientific institutions, a mosque with a capacity of 10,000 worshippers is being built. Both projects are set to open this year. Following the President's decree on March 14th, the 1155th anniversary of Imam Maturidi will be widely commemorated. His tomb in Samarkand will be improved, and his teachings will be studied in collaboration with foreign scholars. To promote inter-ethnic and interfaith harmony, the International Forum Dialogue of Declarations will be held in September in Tashkent and Samarkand. This will serve as a platform for interreligious and intercultural dialogue. According to the Constitution, Uzbekistan is a social state that implements humane and people-centered policies. Last year alone, 16 trillion sums were allocated for material assistance and benefits. More than 51,000 children from low-income families were placed in kindergartens. 176,000 people received medical aid, and 182,000 received social services. Through the Kindness and Support Fund, 94,000 low-income families received assistance worth over 130 billion sums for medical treatment, food, clothing and utility bills. Under the Women's Notebook program, 3.5 million women received support, totaling 5.7 trillion sums, while the Youth Notebook initiative helped 1.3 million young people with 1.7 trillion sums in social assistance. Additionally, thanks to the efforts of pilgrims, material aid for 6.3 billion sums was provided to low-income families. Creating green spaces and planting trees is also considered a noble cause. The nationwide Yashil Makom project supports this initiative. This spring, religious representatives planted more than 10,000 trees and 32,000 flowers, beautifying mosques and pilgrimage sites. As part of the Year of Environmental Protection and Green Economy, ecological initiatives are expanding. Recently, at the Interfaith Council in Hiva, representatives of various religious groups adopted an appeal urging active participation in these efforts. The iftar event was attended by foreign ambassadors, representatives of international organizations, and members of different religious communities, highlighting Uzbekistan's atmosphere of tolerance and mutual respect. During his address, the president also spoke about global issues, expressing concern over ongoing conflicts, particularly in the Islamic world. He stressed that in times of growing threats, unity and harmony among the Muslim Ummah are more important than ever. He emphasized the need to protect youth from the harmful ideologies and to encourage education and enlightenment. Quoting Bahauddin Naqshband, the president said, "Let your hands be in labor and Allah in your heart," highlighting the importance of hard work and professional development among young people. During Ramadan, under the slogan, "Ramadan, the month of generosity and unity," iftars are organized in 9,500 mahallas across the country for low-income families who also receive assistance. Such acts of kindness strengthen national unity and social solidarity. As the great poet Alisher Navo'i once wrote, "The deed of a good is to do good. It is through acts of kindness that life continues and shines with light," said President Shavkat Mirziyoyev. The event concluded with Quran recitations and prayers for peace, prosperity, and kindness in Uzbekistan and across the world.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الخلق وسيد المرسلين يا رب العالمين o'qilingan Qur'oni Karim duolar qilinayotgan iftorliklarni o'zing maqbul aylagin. Bugungi ulug' kunlar, Ramazon rahmat oyi, jannat eshiklari ochilgan, o'zingning rahmating nozil bo'lib turgan bir pallalarda diyorimizdan mana shuncha minglab odamlar bugun birgalashib duo qilishlik va Allohim sendan ahillik, birdamlik, fayzi, barakot so'rashlik uchun qo'limizni duoga ochib turibmiz. Duolarimizni o'zing qabul aylagin ya Rabbi. Ya Rabbi, bu tilovat va duolarimizdan, shu kungacha masjidlarimizda o'qilayotgan xatmi Qur'onlardan, qadr kechalarda qilinajak duolardan barcha o'tgan marhum va marhumalarimizni bahramand qilgin. Duoga qo'l ochib turgan hammamizdan o'tib ketgan ajdodlarimiz, duoga umidvor bo'lib turgan barcha marhum va marhumalarimizni yotgan joylarini Qur'on nuri bilan munavvar qilgin. Ushbu vatan, go'zal diyor uchun xizmat qilib o'tib ketganlar, allomalarimiz, ustozlarimiz, buyuk ajdodlarimiz, hozirgina muhtaram prezidentimiz eslab o'tgan barcha allomalar, Imom Buxoriy, Imom Maturidiy, Marg'iloniy singari qancha allomalarimizni bugun ruhlarini shod qilishlik yo'lida harakat va sa'ylar bo'lyapti. Allohim bu duolarimizni da ularning ruhlariga yetkazib, yotgan joylarini jannatun naimlarga aylantirgin. Ya Rabbi, bugun ulug' kunlarda duo qabul bo'ladigan bir pallada turibmiz. O'zingning va'ding bor. Iftorligida qilingan duo shubhasiz qabul bo'ladi. Adolatlik rahbar xalqi uchun qilgan duosi shubhasiz qabul bo'ladi. Xalqini sevgan mo'min musulmon azizlarning duosi shubhasiz qabul bo'ladi. Allohim, mana shunday duo qabul bo'ladigan joyda, duolari qabul bo'ladigan zotlar bilan duolarga qo'l ochyapmiz. Allohim, yurtimizni tinch qilgin, osmonimizni musaffo qilgin, turli balo ofatlardan o'zing saqlagin. Allohim, o'zing guvohsan, o'zing bilguvchisan. Muhtaram prezidentimiz shu davlat, shu xalq, yoshlarimiz uchun hamisha ularga sharoit yaratishlikda, ularni baxti saodati yo'lida tinmasdan harakat qilyaptilar. Hatto o'zingni Ka'bangda turib ham xalqiga, yoshlariga, avlodiga saodat, ularni baxtligi, ularni ilmligi, ularni olim bo'lishligini so'ragan duolarini bugun iftorlik mahalda yana bir palla eslab turibmiz. O'zing bu duolarni qabul aylagin. Ilohim, yurtimizni tinch, vatanimizni obod, yoshlarimizni bir-birlariga mehr oqibatlik, hamisha yurtimizda mana shunday qadriyatlar qadr topadigan, inson qadri ulug' bo'lgan bir yurt bo'lib bo'lishligini nasib qilgin. Turli balolardan, ofatlardan o'zing saqlagin. Allohim, bugun iftorlik dasturxoni atrofida turli millat, turli din, turli yosh va butun hammamiz vakillar jamlanib turibmiz. Bundan ko'zlangan maqsad, muhtaram prezidentimiz hammamizni bir-birimiz bilan ahil va inoq bo'lishligimizni, mehr oqibatli bo'lishligimizni umid qilyaptilar. Bu umidlari, bu orzularni ro'yobga chiqargin ya Rabbi. Barchalarimizni ahil, ittifoq, bir-birlarimizga muhabbat va saodatlik, sadoqatlik aylagin. Allohim, kelajak yoshlarimizni kelgusida bu yurtning xuddi ajdodlari kabi butun olamga tanitadigan buyuk allomalar bo'lib yetishlarini nasib qilgin. Yurtimizda olib borilayotgan har bir ishlarga o'zing madadkor bo'lgin. Yurtboshimizni, muhtaram prezidentimizni umrlarini uzoq qilgin ya Rabbi. Yurt, xalq uchun qilayotgan har bir ishlariga o'zing yordamchi, o'zing madadkor bo'lgin. Bugungi duolarimiz yurtimiz uchun baraka bo'lishligini, o'tgan yili iftorligida duo qilib o'zingdan so'ragan edik. Bugun yil undan-da saodatli kunlarga yetkizding. Allohim, bundan keyin ham yanada saodatli kunlarga yetkazishligini sendan so'rab qolamiz. Allohumma ahsin aqibatana fil umuri kulliha va ajirna min khizyid dunya va azabil oxirah. Va sallallohu ta'ala ala khayri xalqi Muhammad va ala alihi va ashabihi ajma'in bi rahmatika ya arhamar rohimin. Allohu akbar.
Representatives of all the generation, intellectuals, members of different faiths, people with disabilities and low-income citizens, around 60,000 people in total participated in the iftar ceremonies held nationwide.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil alamin. Vassalatu vassalamu ala ashrafil mursalin. Ya Rabbi, bugungi iftorlik ihsonini o'zing qabul qilgin. Tilovat Qur'onlarni maqbul qilgin. Bu ihsonning sohibi muhtaram prezidentimiz, hozir bu yerda tilovati Qur'on, ertaga xatmlar 1700 dan ortiq masjidda xatmlar bo'ladi. Bu xatmlar va duolarimizdan minglab xatm Qur'on va millionlab xalqimizni duolaridan muhtaram prezidentimizni ota-onasini bahramand qilgin ya Rabbi. Ularni yotgan joylarini Qur'on nuri bilan munavvar qilgin. O'zlaridan qoldirgan farzandi yurti uchun, xalqi uchun mana shunday mehnat qilib, ularni baxti saodati uchun xizmat qilyaptilar. Allohim bularni ota-onalarini joylari jannatdan bo'lishlikka haqli deb duo qildik. O'zing rahmatingga olgin, yotgan joylarini jannatun naimlarga aylantirgin. Ularni oilalaridan, qavmi qarindoshlaridan duoga umidvor bo'lib turgan barchalarini ham bahramand qilgin. Muhtaram prezidentimizga uzoq umr bergin, kuch-quvvat bergin, yanada g'ayrat bergin. Xalqi uchun, yurti uchun qilayotgan har bir yaxshi niyatlarni amalga oshirib, o'zlari boshida turib, mana shu yoshlarimizni barchasini olim bo'lishini xohlagan ekan, dunyoni titratgan olimlarni ko'rishligini, xalqini boy bo'lishini xohlab duo qilgan ekanlar, bunga harakat qilyapti ekanlar, butun xalqini boy bo'lganini ko'rishligini, shahar va qishloqlarimizni obod bo'lishligini niyat qilar ekanlar, shahar va qishloqlarimizni obod bo'lganini ko'rmoqligini nasib qilgin ya Rabbi. Kelgan mehmonlarni barchalarini qadamlariga hasanot, ajr azim bergin, bir-birimizga muhabbatimizni ziyoda qilgin. Prezidentimiz atrofida sadoqat bilan xizmat qilib, yurt, xalq obodligi yo'lida mehnat qilib bormoqligini nasib qilgin. Ayollarimiz ham bu yerga keldilar. Doimo prezidentimiz aytganlardek, u onalardir. Ularni ilmlik, ma'rifatlik onalar davomchilaridan qilgin ya Rabbi. Barcha onalarimizni salomat qilgin. Allohim bugun mana shunday dasturxon atrofida duo qilib xalqimizni obro' e'tibori, xalqimizni saodati uchun duo qilar ekanmiz. Inshaalloh nasib qilsa yurtdoshlarimiz, bu futbol komandamiz ham futbol o'ynaydi. Bu ham musobaqada, bu yurtimizning manfaati. Alloh ularga ham bugun madadkor bo'lgin o'zing. Yurt xalqning g'alabasi, bu bizning g'alabamiz bo'ladi. O'zing madadkor bo'lgin Allohim. Ilohim butun dunyoda o'zbek bayrog'ini ko'tarishlikka sababchi qilgin ya Rabbi. Bugun mehmonga kelgan barcha azizlarni qadamlariga hasanot, yurtimiz tinch bo'lsin Allohim. Kelgusi Ramazonda yana mana shunday duolar bilan bundan-da xursandchilik va saodat bilan to'planmoqlikni nasib qilgin. Bi rahmatika ya arhamar rohim. Allohu akbar.